friends, this is Dr. Abdek. I am Chimthanawala. I would like to share a case today, a very beautiful case of a patient who complained about he did not like anything which was around him. His wordings were, sir, I don't like to go out. I don't like to dress up also. I don't like to go and eat outside the restaurants. I don't like to stay at the home also. I don't like to do anything. I don't want to watch the TV also. These symptoms are very gradual in development. He said that previously I was a very positive person, a very jovial personality. But now, since the past 8 to 10 months, I don't like to do anything in life. I just want to sit and do nothing. If the situations are bad also in my life, I had always fought. But now I feel, let it be, no. जो होगा देख लेंगे, जो करना है करो. Means whatever you want to do, you can do. Don't disturb me. That type of situation he had developed in life. In fact, he did not like to dress up also. Neither wearing proper clothes, neither going for a bath, neither wanted to comb his hairs. Just getting up in the morning, just because he had to get up and eat his food. He used to eat food. Eating food also he did not eat with relish. He felt it's okay, otherwise if you want to live, you have to eat. So he started eating food because he had to survive. So this was a case where the patient did not want to do anything in life. Now if this case, if you rubricate this case, it is basically this patient speaking basically indifference to the surroundings. The surrounding did not matter to him. You speak whatever you want and he will not change. In fact, he had developed indifference to himself also. That means he did not like to dress up, nor having a bath, nor wanted to comb his hair, nor wanted to see himself in the mirror. Absolutely a state of indifference. You may repetize single symptom like aversion to bathing, enthusiasm, lack of, amusement, lack of, indifference. There are a lot of symptoms in this case which you can repetize, but if you start repetizing in a single symptom, a small symptom, then you will get maybe a remedy which is very different rather than what I prescribed. In fact, he did not had no say what he wanted in life. If sour thing was served to him, he ate. If sweets were served to him, he ate. If only water was given without tea, he used to eat. But he did not have that will also, that what he wants in life. So a condition where he did not understand, maybe we can say, that what he wanted in life. Whatever food was served to him, whatever clothes were given to him, he used to wear that, he used to eat that without he wanting to do what in life. A very pathetic condition basically. And he then told me that, sir, I feel that what is this life? I just now want to commit suicide. In fact, it's a very beautiful poem that Leisure, which we had maybe studied in 6th or 7th class. What is this life full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. A situation where the patient was absolutely indifferent to the surroundings, indifferent to himself, and he had no will, he had loss of will and suicidal thoughts. A classical condition of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia, hebephrenic. There are types of schizophrenia. Now we were seeing a situation where he was suffering from schizophrenia, hebephrenic. Now whenever schizophrenia, hebephrenic patients comes to you, or you have these symptoms, normally I think of two drugs. The first is creosote and the second is thalamus. Now thalamus is a very, very important drug I have found in schizophrenia. When I talk about thalamus, I'll discuss a case which I beautifully cured with thalamus and then compared with the symptoms of schizophrenia of this drug and thalamus. So here we are looking at, friends, schizophrenia, hebephrenic. One more drug that is also very rare which I have used is Halo, HALO. I'll tell you when I come to that drug. So if you repetize this, of course there were lot many symptoms, because in a schizophrenic patient, if you try to repertorize all these symptoms, you will get a sheets and sheets of repertory charts. So many symptoms, but then you have to generalize and see what exactly is the crux of situation. In this case, what I found was indifference to himself, indifference to the surroundings, schizophrenia, epiphrenic, will loss of, and suicidal thoughts. And my friends, when you repertorize this case, a very, very important drug, I will not say that I have not used that drug, I had used that drug, but a very important drug that comes to the repertory chart, that is Thuja plicata. It is not Thuja occidentalis, it is Thuja plicata. Thuga, Thuja, and Plicata. For this patient, I gave Thuja plicata. In fact, I repeated this dose 1 mg potency. For first month I gave Thuja 1 mg, the next month I repeated, and the third month also I repeated. Gradual change started coming after 2 months, and gradually after about 8 to 10 months, he felt much better. And now in fact, when he started getting better after the 4 months, when he came, he first told me, sir, now I feel that I should wear good quality clothes, branded clothes, so that it makes a impression on the society. And that is how you can cure a case. That is how the patient responds when your drug is a similimum. That indifference to himself had gone, and now he wanted to dress himself. He was conscious that the society is there and I have to live in the society. I am not living in an island. This is how the patient changed, and Thuja plicata cured this case. This is how a remedy can bring about a change in the human personality, in a human nature. So my friends, do prescribe Thuja plicata in these conditions, and if you get the results, please do share your results. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.